Good evening. Today is January 8, 2024 Monday, and here are the 7 p.m. STL Visayas result today. Here are the SL Sewer 3 7 p.m. result for Lapu-Lapu City under La 7 Games and Amusement Corporation for Monday, January 8, 2024. Here are the SL Sewer 3 7 p.m. result for Mandaue City under Piana Trading Supply Corporation for January 8, 2024 Monday. Thank you for watching the 7 p.m. video for evening of January 8, 2024, Monday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more lotto result update.